So if you're trying to buy a farm, you're trying to buy some land, you want to grow your own food, and you get there and maybe it was just neglected for so long that there's no grass. Don't be discouraged, because within a few years you can have thick, lush grass. Almost 3 years ago, we moved onto this abandoned farm property. It was overgrown, neglected. The house needed to be completely renovated, and the pastures were terrible. So they ran horses on the back pasture, and it was nothing but clay, rock, bristles, thorns, weeds. It was bad. There was very, very little grass, if any at all. So the first year that we were here, we just mowed everything continuously, and that helped quite a bit. A lot of the grass started to come back. But then the second spring and summer that we were here, we rotationally grazed sheep back here and moved them around the back pasture and just let them eat, fertilize, and try and replenish the grass back here. The other thing we did was we ran pigs through the woods and partly on the pasture and grass area, but mostly through the woods. Once we took the pigs to the processor, it was kind of late fall and it was very wet. So we just threw a bunch of grass seed down, hoping for the best. And it's pretty amazing how that has transformed the woods and the pasture. First, let's check out where we had the pigs running through the woods, and I'll show you how drastically that has changed. I'm hoping I have some before shots of this area, but just take a look at it now. So this was thick woods, full of weeds, nothing here. And now look, we have grass. Now it's not perfect. There's still some weeds and rocks, but there is a lot of grass sprouting up through here. I mean, look how thick this is right here. It looked like this previously. Pre-pigs, it looked like that. Post-pigs, it looks like grass. So here's another spot. I mean, look at this grass. Unbelievable. We ran pigs here. I just threw some grass seed. No straw, nothing. And it is coming up super thick. Now you may be asking why. What's the point of all this? Why are we doing this? Well, the hope is to eventually have cattle. And cattle don't eat weeds, but they eat this, you know? So that's been our main goal, is to get as much grass throughout the property so we can raise cattle. This was weeds. This was thick brambles. Couldn't even walk through here. And now we have thick, lush grass, thanks to the pigs. The grass seed behind the pigs was a success. Don't overthink it. We literally just threw grass seed behind the pigs after we took them to the processor, and it was fine. So just got to try things. But we're really happy how that turned out. That's another little nook and cranny on this property that has grass that will eventually feed animals, which eventually feed us. So the other thing that we did last spring and summer was raise lambs. We bought 4 lambs and we put them out here in a mobile sheep tractor. We moved them at least twice a day onto fresh grass, and they did a great job of obviously mowing the grass for us, fertilizing the grass, and the results have been pretty amazing. I hope it translates to camera here. I don't know if it will. The grass is so green, so lush and thick. And again, when we moved here, it was literally just dirt, weeds, hard, compacted ground. And now there's a lot of grass growing, and it's a beautiful thing. Ooh, it's getting windy. I hope I have adequate before footage to roll right here. And the after, pretty amazing. Again, I don't know, it's kind of an overcast day. I don't know how well it's picking up, but this is actually grass, and it was not before. And I know I keep saying that, but it's truly blowing our minds, the transformation around here just by doing little things. So for this year, we've actually decided not to get animals. You know, we were kind of on the fence, and we are gonna do it again, just not this year. We feel like there's something we're supposed to move towards that's different this year. So we're gonna do that, but we're back to mowing this. So I'm gonna be mowing this again this year just to keep it maintained. And the goal, hopefully, the next animals you see out here will be cattle. That is the goal. That's always been the goal, to raise a few cattle out here, grow our own beef. And we couldn't do that year 1, and we certainly couldn't have done that year 2. But I think moving forward, we finally have enough grass that we could sustain cattle out here. And I don't know how many, but at least a few. Enough to fill our freezer, enough to bless somebody in our community. And I'm excited. I'm excited about what's next. So if you're trying to buy a farm, you're trying to buy some land, you want to grow your own food, and you get there and maybe it's like this place, they had horses here, or maybe it was just neglected for so long that there's no grass. Well, don't be discouraged, because within a few years you can have thick, lush grass. And I just showed you a few spots. I mean, it's everywhere. So it can be done. It just takes a little hard work, some diligence, and some patience, and it can happen. So don't be discouraged and go buy that farm.